Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, how to style your home with fashion and accessories. Styling your home with fashion and accessories is a captivating way to infuse your personal style and create a unique and inviting space. By incorporating elements inspired by fashion trends and accessorizing with items that reflect your personality, you can transform your home into a stylish sanctuary. We will explore various techniques, tips, and ideas for styling your home with fashion and accessories. Styling your home with fashion and accessories involves merging the worlds of interior design and fashion to create a cohesive and visually appealing space. It allows you to express your personal style, experiment with trends, and showcase your creativity. By incorporating fashion-inspired elements and carefully selecting accessories, you can enhance the overall aesthetic and create a harmonious environment. Styling your home with fashion and accessories is an exciting way to reflect your individuality and create a space that truly feels like you. 1. Understanding the connection between fashion and home decor. Fashion and home decor share a deep connection as both industries revolve around expressing personal style and creating visually appealing compositions. Fashion designers often draw inspiration from art, architecture, and interior design, while interior designers often take cues from fashion trends. Elements such as color, texture, pattern, and proportion play significant roles in both disciplines. Understanding these shared principles can help you create a cohesive and harmonious space that blends fashion and home decor seamlessly. 2. Finding inspiration in fashion. Fashion is a constant source of inspiration for home decor. Fashion trends, runway shows, and fashion designers can provide a wealth of ideas that can be translated into your home. By keeping an eye on current fashion trends, you can identify colors, patterns, and styles that resonate with you. Additionally, exploring the work of renowned fashion designers can inspire unique design concepts for your home. Whether it's incorporating a particular designer's signature style or taking inspiration from a specific collection, fashion can offer endless possibilities for transforming your space. 3. Incorporating fashion elements in home decor. One of the most exciting aspects of styling your home with fashion is incorporating fashion elements into your decor. Textiles and fabrics play a crucial role in fashion, and you can bring this element into your home by selecting fabrics inspired by fashion trends. Whether it's a luxurious velvet couch or curtains with a bold geometric pattern, incorporating fashion-forward textiles can instantly elevate your space. Additionally, you can take inspiration from runway color palettes and use them as a guide for selecting paint colors and decor accessories. Fashion prints and patterns can also make a statement in your home decor, whether through wallpaper, upholstery, or decorative accents. 4. Accessorizing your home with style. Accessories are key in both fashion and home decor. They provide the finishing touches and add personality to your space. When it comes to accessorizing your home with fashion, think of it as styling an outfit. Choose accessories that reflect your personal style and create visual interest. This could include statement pieces like a chandelier inspired by runway jewelry or decorative pillows with fashionable motifs. Mixing textures, layering different elements, and paying attention to details are essential in creating a stylish and cohesive look. 5. Integrating fashionable storage solutions. Storage solutions are often overlooked when it comes to fashion-inspired home decor. However, incorporating fashionable storage options can elevate the overall aesthetic of your space. Look for storage containers and organizers that reflect your style, such as vintage-inspired hat boxes, chic woven baskets, or sleek storage boxes in fashionable colors. Combining functionality and style in your storage solutions will help you maintain an organized and visually appealing home. 6. Creating fashion-inspired displays and artwork. Transform your home into a gallery of fashion-inspired displays and artwork. Fashion magazines and lookbooks can serve as decorative items, either stacked neatly on a coffee table or displayed in a stylish magazine rack. Frame fashion sketches and illustrations to create unique wall art that reflects your love for fashion. Vintage fashion accessories, like designer handbags or statement shoes, can be displayed as art pieces, adding a touch of glamour and personality to your space. 7. Showcasing your personal style. The key to styling your home with fashion and accessories is showcasing your personal style. Your home should be a reflection of who you are and what you love. Infuse your space with your own fashion sense by incorporating elements that resonate with you. Mix and match different styles and eras to create an eclectic and unique look. Pay attention to the overall flow and balance of your space to ensure that it represents your personality authentically. 8. Transforming your bedroom into a fashion haven. Your bedroom is a perfect place to create a fashion-inspired haven. Choose bedding and linens with a fashion-forward approach, incorporating luxurious fabrics and textures. Consider adding a dressing room area with a stylish vanity and a full-length mirror. Display your favorite accessories, such as hats or statement necklaces, as decor. Infuse the space with soft lighting, and consider adding a seating area where you can relax and indulge in fashion magazines or plan your outfits. Styling your home with fashion and accessories allows you to combine your love for fashion with your passion for creating a welcoming and aesthetically pleasing environment. By understanding the connection between fashion and home decor, finding inspiration in fashion, incorporating fashion elements, accessorizing thoughtfully, integrating fashionable storage solutions, creating fashion-inspired displays and artwork, showcasing your personal style, and transforming your bedroom into a fashion haven, you can elevate your home into a stylish sanctuary that truly represents you. Embrace your creativity, experiment with different ideas, and have fun styling your home with fashion and accessories. Make sure to watch the full video. Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.